Yes, students, now start with the exercise. Question number 1 to 15 are based on your analogy. So let's start and try to solve these questions with me. Soap, wash, broom, and what will be the relationship of broom with among all these options? See, soap is used for washing the hands and for any other purpose. Similarly, broom is a jhadu, and this broom is used for sweeping the floor, to clean the floor by removing the dust, dirt, etc. It is, we can't say it is used only for the cleaning, for the dust, none of these. The correct answer for this is sweep. So soap is having the purpose of wash, similarly broom is having the purpose of sweep. Sun, day, and which option will come here? And night. Sun is visible in the daytime, similarly moon is visible at the night. So the answer is moon. Question number 3 is in homework. Now, smoke, pollution, war. See, smoke means dhua. Smoke spread the pollution. Similarly, war. Smoke spread the pollution. It means a little bit type of the destruction is there. Now, war. War means ladai. War spread the cleanliness? No. War spread the peace? No. War spread the victory? No. Yes. War spread the destruction. सब कुछ बर्बाद कर देना. Okay. So war is related to our destruction. Now the fifth one is needle, thread, pen. What will be the relationship here? In needle we use the thread. Similarly in pen we use the paper. No. We use the eraser. No. We use the color. No. We use the ink for writing. Yes. Rose is red. Rose is red. Now like this, grass is violet. Black. Have you seen the black grass? Brown. It may be brown, but if it is not in the presence of the sunlight and the water, etc., so the grass is already, every time we are able to see the grass as green. The color of the grass is green. So the answer is green. Okay. Now rest of the questions till your question number 11 are in your homework. You have to do your own. It will take only 5 to 6 minutes to solve it. Now herbivorous, cow, carnivorous. I know you know herbivorous. Herbivorous means the animals that eat only plants and the plant products, and the carnivorous are the animals that eat the flesh of the other animals. So herbivores and the cow. Cow is a herbivorous animals because cow eats only grass. Now carnivorous, deer is not a carnivorous, it is a herbivorous. Buffalo is also a herbivore, it used to eat only plant and the plant products. Similarly camel is also a herbivorous. But lion is a carnivorous, it used to eat the flesh of the other animals, so it is a carnivorous. So the answer is your lion. Okay, now circle, diameter, square. Circle is having a diameter. You have not studied the geometry chapter till now, so you might be, it is difficult for you to understand the meaning of the diameter and the diagonal. Okay, so I'm just explaining you in a short way. If it is a circle, in a circle we are having the chord that passes through the center of the circle, that calls its diameter. There are so many diameters in a circle. Okay, in square, if you take the case of the square, in the square we are having these diagonals. These are the diagonals. It is not having chord because it is in the circle. Square is not having radius because again it is in the circle. Okay, it can be having the sides, but the correct answer is a diagonal. Okay, so now the question number 14. 4 to ja 8. Now which number should be here so that 42 should come here? So definitely it will be 21 multiplied by 2, that is 42, and similarly here 4 multiplied by 2, that is your 8. Okay, now again here 2, 3. 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number because both used to come in their table only. Now after it we are having 5. So after 5, which is the next prime number, it is 7. So the answer is here 7. Now find the odd one out in the following. Yes, now you have to find out the odd one. Which are the odd one in from the given group: goat, puppy, cow, buffalo. So if you can see here, from all these, the puppy is the odd one. You can easily find out the puppy is the odd one. Okay, now the next one is here: January, February, March, December. January is having 31 days, March is having 31 days, December is having 31 days, February is having either 28 and the 29 days. So the odd one is here February. Now the next one is here C, D, C. The alphabets are consecutive: C, then D, O, then P, L, then M. Here after B should be C, but it is D, so it is the odd one. Triangle, square, circle, rectangle. All these figures, triangle, square, rectangle, are made up of your lines only, and the circle is having the curved shape. Okay, it is made up of curved lines, so it is the odd one here. Gloves, bat, football, ball. All these things, gloves, bat, ball, are used in our cricket, but football is not used in the cricket, so it is the odd one here. Now from here, 8, 6, 5, 2. If you can see here, 8, 6 and 2, both are the even numbers. They used to come in the table of the 2, but 5 does not come on the table of come under the table of 2, so it is the odd one here. Okay, so rest of the questions are in your homework. Okay, question number 28 is cut because you have not understood the concept of diagonal, arc, diameter and radius, so you can skip it. Later on we can discuss it. Okay, then rose flower, lotus flower, sunflower and cauliflower. See, all these rose flower, sunflower, lotus flower, all are the flowers, but your cauliflower is a type of vegetable. So okay, so the odd one here is cauliflower. Okay, so the homework is to do the question number 3. You have to find out your own way what can be the relationship here: Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh, Mumbai. Okay, and then the question number 7 to your question number 11. This will be in your homework, and in the classification you are having the homework from question number 22 to 27. Okay, so this was all done about the syllabus of your reasoning for this first term. Rest of the topics we will be covering in your term 2. Thank you.